So in this episode, the new SV650 is getting a new engine, and we're getting it right now. So let's jump straight to it. So guys, here we are, me and Lauren, we're on the way to hit the SV engine, hey! And we've got a beautiful Panigale and RC 890, I think it is. Don't know what the fucking big RC is called, but fuck it. Big KTM RC, yeah, and the Panigale 1199. Oh, piece of beauty. That was 1199, I was right. So guys, subscribe right now for this engine. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So, we're just leaving Farnborough now. It's been an hour here, now an hour home. And we've got an SV engine! Hey! 150 quid well spent. Fucking 50-mile drive. Thank you for my new job at Silver Lake, for paying for Lauren's fuel. I didn't have to do it. Yay! I basically just got an engine for 150 flat. So here we are. We made it home with the replacement. Oh yeah. Let's see what's gonna happen with this bad boy then. So everything's unbolted. Yeah, the engine is loose, but the one thing that is stuck is the rear exhaust because I can't get it undone no matter what. So I'm just gonna keep kicking it until it comes off. And then I'll fix anything that goes wrong with the exhaust afterwards, basically, long story short. So, busy, let's get fucking busy. So this is editing Brad here, and basically I've just deleted 9 minutes of footage trying to get this engine out because I was just struggling like fuck. It was just so tight in place, all because I didn't undo the castle nuts. They're so easy to undo with a hammer and screwdriver. I don't know why I forgot it, but I know that now in the present, and I'm just an idiot. So yeah, let's jump to the engine, dropping out of the bike. Hey, it's out. Finally. So it's all had a good clean with the pressure washer now, and I've levelled the bike out a little bit more with the jack underneath it to just lift the engine straight up in. So should be alright. And this is obviously the good engine, but I've also cleaned this one with the pressure washer, the one I've just taken out, because you know what I mean, it's just easier to handle when someone's cleaning it. So may as well whilst it was all apart. So yeah, now she's all cleaned up. Oh, got to struggle putting this back in. Probably not going to record me putting it in because it's long, and I'd rather just do it and then start filming again once I'm plugging it all in, etc. So, yeah, mint. So it's the next day, and I'm just out in my dressing gown right now, trying to get this engine bolted in. Fucking annoying piece of shit. So I've got the main 2 bolts in. Top one there, the castle nut. Bottom one there, the castle nut. Now you don't need to buy castle nut sockets. Just use a flathead screwdriver and a hammer. Honestly, it works. That's what I've just used, and they literally spin freely now. Well, they did, but you see, works fine. So yeah, just need to now start getting the rest of the engine mounts in. Sweet. So the engine's basically mounted now. I just need to go through, tighten all the mounts up, yeah. But I've tightened up all the castle nuts, as you can see there, against the engine there, and everything's just solid now. The engine is in. I can start doing everything else assembly-wise now, and I'll literally be able to finish up the engine mounts when I can be bothered. But as of right now, the engine mounts are a lot less important than if this engine actually runs, because it's a £150 used engine. The average price of these engines is about £350 to £500, and I've paid £150. So we've got to hope it still runs, because this one might be even worse than my engine over there, the one that we just took out. We never know, sight unseen, so I'm just hoping for the best of this one. Just hoping for the fucking best. Oh, if it was blown up as well, I'll cry. Actually cry. Lol, just snapped the frame on my SV650. That's jokes. So what, there's only that fucking bit there. The rest of it's holding it all together anyway. It's only one little crack. Be able to get that welded out now in the welding shop, won't I? No, I'm fucking gassed. The new engine's in, yeah. Obviously, got a few bits not on it yet. But, oh, it runs. It actually runs. Listen. And it's not blown up! Oh my god! Ah, you motherfucker, innit, Vern? So, the next step from here is getting that chain down there on properly, cleaning the carbs, and just sorting the rest out, polishing it back up. So the next episode, we'll be cleaning those carbs right up. So don't forget to subscribe for that right now. Subscribe to Bike with Brad right And so you've made it here again to the end of another video. Oh, you know what? I'm surprised to hear. Do you know why? Because you should be clicking on another one of my videos right now. Just click one of these videos. Just click. Come on. Help the algorithm. Like the video, comment, subscribe, do everything. Get this video up there. Come on, boys. Love you all. Mwah. Peace.